I got a letter recently from a lady who was referring to the course I'm teaching on Magic Mates, how to find the love of your life. And it just touched me so much because she said, I've taken classes, I've done so many things, and I feel hopeless. And I thought, a lot of us feel hopeless about ever finding love. Actually, a lot of us feel hopeless about so many things in the world, and yet there is that spark of hope. And when there's a spark, it can turn into a fire. I know that if you're seeking love, love is seeking you. Sometimes it's just hard to get it to come together, and yet I know after 12 years of being single, and believe me, I was looking for love and doing whatever I could, and then at times it just felt like, who's ever going to like me with all the quirks and what I do for a living? And still, with some divine guidance and some metaphysical help, I did find the love of my life, who himself had been single over 20 years and who still had that little spark of hope. That's all you need, is that little spark of hope. Now, you must have a spark or you wouldn't be watching this video. So allow me to guide you in some tapping, EFT, emotional freedom technique. I love you, Gary Craig, in helping you to become more hopeful. If you got a spark, the spark can become a flame, and a flame, well, everything is attracted to fire, right? Okay, it's also a protective mechanism. So tune in and see how hopeless you feel right now that you will ever find love. And I know all kinds of stuff comes up. You don't know what I've been through. Yeah, we've all been through a lot of crap, okay? So, well, in my course, we take care of that crap. However, maybe you're just watching this and you're not aware of all the stuff that's happened to you and why you feel so hopeless, that you've tried and you've tried and you've tried and it never seems to work out. As long as you have hope, you got the spark, you're gonna have the fire. Here we go. Scale of 1 to 10. How hopeless do you feel right now? 10, that's pretty hopeless, but at least you're watching. 5, somewhere in the middle here. Maybe there's a little bit of hope. Follow after me. I'm not going to explain everything about tapping. Just do what I do. Okay, here we go. Tap right here on the side of your hand and repeat after me. Okay? Ready? Tapping here. Even though I feel hopeless that I will ever find love, I love and accept myself. Oh, I love saying that. Repeat after me. Even though I feel hopeless that I will ever find love, I love and accept myself. Repeat after me. I feel hopeless that I'm going to ever find love. I love and accept myself. Now, tap right here. I feel hopeless. I'm never going to find love. It just can't happen for me. I feel hopeless. So hopeless. 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 Just right here on the collarbone. Hopeless. Under your arm. Hopeless. Take a deep breath in and out. And now I'm going to list some of the reasons that I had and some of the reasons I hear from other people, not just women, men and women, okay? So we're going to tap on behalf of all humanity, and you're going to help. You're being of service. So whatever it is for you, you can insert it. But I can't find love because I'm overweight. I'm afraid I can't find love because I'm over the hill. And guys, this is for you. I'm afraid I can't find love because my dick doesn't work so good anymore. And for you women, I'm afraid I can't find love because I don't feel much passion anymore. I'm afraid all the good ones are taken. There's nobody for me. And right now, can we get out the crying rag? Okay. I'm overweight. I'm over the hill. Repeat after me. There's nobody for me. All the good ones are taken. I don't feel passionate. I feel pathetic. I just don't think there's anybody for me. All the good ones are taken. Oh, now I'm sad just doing that. But see, you need to tap on the negative. You need to bring it up so that it can be cleared. You need to bring it out into the light and just admit it. All the good ones are gone. I can't trust anybody. All kind of reasons. However, in spite of that, let's tap in the positive. Let's fan that flame of hope, okay? Even though I feel sad about being hopeless, I allow that spark of hope to grow. When I'm full of hope, it raises my vibrations. Tap this in now. Repeat after me. I become lighter. I am a light. People are attracted to my light. I'm becoming more hopeful. I'm becoming more hopeful. I can find love. I can be that light. I am that light. I'm feeling hopeful, raising my vibrations. People are attracted to my light. People are attracted to me. The right one is attracted to me. Now take a deep breath in and out and whew. Now, are you willing to allow that spark of hope to turn into a roaring fire and to imagine that your fire is attracting not only the one, but how about the fire could attract more money, more peace of mind, more stability, more abundance, better health? Let's get the fire going in your soul and let it just zoom out to all the universe and attract only good things to you. Okay, here we go. Even though I've been feeling hopeless, I'm over it. I ask and allow this spark to turn into a roaring flame. I am on fire. I can do this. I am on fire. I allow the fire to set me free. Tap after me. Fire. Ignite my soul. Fire. Spark my hope further. Fire. Make me attractive. Fire. Burn away my fear. Fire. Give me the passion. Fire of passion. Fire of hope. I am confident. I am full of fire. I am on flame. I am on flame. Let's do this with two. I am on fire. I am worthy. People love me. People love my light. I shine my light. All good things are attracted to my light. And so it is. Now, take a deep breath in and out. Tune back into that feeling of hopeless. Is it less? Are you feeling more hopeful? Yes. Here's what I know. The person you are seeking is seeking you. It's a process of removing the resistance. As my friend Robert Stone, the great metaphysician who's on the other side, says, your heart's desire are connected to your soul's purpose. And if you desire a thing and you don't have it, there's some resistance in the way. That's why when I designed the course Magic Mates, the first part of it is all about resisting the resistance so that that which you desire can find its way home to your heart. This is Rebecca. And if you're already registered for this course, hooray for you. If you haven't, see the link below, read the information, and see if it calls to your heart. You are not numb beyond redemption. You are not too old. You are not too overweight. You are not too clumsy. You are not too poor. You are worthy and you are desirable. The right person that is just right for you, like a lock and key, is seeking you. And so it is. Take action now if it feels good to your heart. And know this, love is looking for you. And guess what? I love you.